In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a customized FAQ widget into your website using Common Ninja and Framer. This step-by-step process will help you enhance your site with an interactive FAQ section that is both visually appealing and functional. Let's get started by heading over to Common Ninja. In the search bar, type in FAQ to find the FAQ widget that we'll work with today. Once you've loaded the FAQ template, you'll see an array of customization options on the left side of your screen. Here, you have the freedom to tailor everything to your preference. This is your chance to infuse your brand's personality, whether it's through colors, fonts, sizes, or more. Take your time to edit and adjust the settings, ensuring the FAQ aligns perfectly with your website's design and overall theme. As you explore the options under Layout and Skin, feel free to experiment with different looks until you find the one that resonates best with your vision. Each tweak you make should enhance the user experience, making it easier and more intuitive for visitors to find the information they need. Once you are satisfied with your customized FAQ widget, go ahead and click the Publish button. This will save your changes and prepare your widget for integration. Now, let's navigate back to the dashboard. Here, you'll see the widget you just created. Look for the Add to Site option and select it. This will give you a snippet of code that you'll need to integrate the widget into your website. Next, head over to Framer, which is where we'll be embedding your customized FAQ. Within Framer, locate the Insert button. Give it a click. As you hover over the available options, find Utilities, and then select Embed. Simply drag this option onto your project workspace. You should now notice the right panel on your screen becoming active. This is where you'll be doing the embedding magic. Within this panel, look for the Embed section and select the HTML option. You're now ready to paste the code you copied earlier from Common Ninja. By pasting this code here, you're embedding your customized, published FAQ widget directly into your Framer project. This should seamlessly integrate with the rest of your site design. Feel free to preview the result to ensure it appears just as you expect, harmoniously blending with the rest of your web page. And there you have it. You've successfully customized and added an FAQ widget to your site, enhancing its functionality and providing a valuable resource for your visitors. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into trouble, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.